Mom? 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 Oh my god. Nice. What's up guys? Today, we are here at BTC Coin. And we're here at 5 minutes time frame, and let's use Gains Algo V2 Alpha as an indicator. And then let's wait a bit for a signal before I buy or sell. Signal. Okay guys, we have the signal, so buy. So we're gonna buy. I think I buy 1,000 unit. 1,000 unit. Okay. Pwede na natin. Up, up, nice, up, 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 up. What the?